We are now going to execute the second case in this exercise involving the extension or occupation of our work plan. Let us first delete the plots that do not interest us using the MDT plots delete command, and then we will import the plots that affect this work. One will be the property of the quarry, and the other, this island here or inside. So to do this, we go to MDT plots, import GML, and import the plot ending in Q and the plot ending in P. We accept, specify a text height of 5, and here it is. As we can see, this plot refers to the exploitation of the quarry, whereas this interior area is beyond that, to determine the occupation of the work plan, not to buy it, but to exchange it for another plot we are going to create, the same size in square meters, and adjoining this plot. Let us separate the text entities. One way of obtaining the occupation of our work plan in the plot unconnected with the quarry would be using the Draw Contour command in AutoCAD, designate points, and thereby obtain this contour, the one affecting the work plan. Here, in Properties or Area, we can consult the surface, although this case is very simple. Using the MDT Plots Occupation Area tool, we can do this not just for one, but for a series of plots. Hence, we first insert the cell size, which will be the size to calculate the occupation of the plot, whereby the smaller the size, the more accurate the calculation is going to be. Let us use 0.5 for example, and we will then select the polyline that cuts the plot, which would be the one corresponding to the work plan, and we can then select all the plots that affect or interfere with this plot. By default, we only have one. We right-click and accept. The MDT occupation surface will be calculated, and here is the result. As we have said, due to being a plot, a number of methods can be used. But if we had a series of plots, we would have to work with a sketch contour, and this would lengthen our task. This result, as you can see, features the plot, the total area, the area occupied by our surface from the work plan, and the occupied area. MDT tells us that occupation is partial with a percentage of 49%. This lets us know we need to exchange a surface of 18,038.25 square meters. We will now print these results in the drawing, and here they are. The next step is to create this plot in order to separate it from the rest, and on the one hand, to merge this plot of the property of the quarry, and on the other, to create a plot separation to join it to the latter. Let us look at the procedure. We have three types or three methods to create the plot in TCP MDT. We go to MDT Plots, and we have Define by Polyline, Define by Points, and Define Interior Point. In this case, it is equivalent to drawing a contour, which in this case is the quickest manner. And so we designate an interior point, and we are asked for the name of the plot, an owner, a comment, and we accept. We click on Owner, Occupation, Works, and Accept, and the process is concluded.